everybody! Hope you're all safe and well. Pete here. Last night I stayed at the Hard Rock Hotel here at Universal Orlando Resort. The hotel is classed as a top tier premier hotel and it certainly lives up to that. It is absolutely full of quality and luxury. Really enjoyed my stay last night. I'm going to give you guys a full hotel review. Hopefully it helps, hopefully gives you a few tips, hopefully gives you an idea if it's possibly a hotel that you might want to visit during your holiday or vacation here in Orlando, Florida. One thing for sure, it did not disappoint. I was very, very impressed. I'll take you and show you why. Even on approach to the hotel, you can see how grand and luxurious it is. It's absolutely beautiful. Water fountains out the front. Come on then, let's go on inside and take a look. You walk through the main doors and you are greeted by this absolutely stunning lobby area. On your right, you have check-in. And on your left, you have luggage services, concierge, and also the Universal Vacation Planning team. Further to your left-hand side, you have the Universal Rock Shop with loads of excellent merchandise. In the shop you have plenty Hard Rock merchandise along with Universal merchandise. If you walk down to the bottom of the lobby area, you'll find this lovely lounge and relaxation area. And then you go out these doors to a balcony which overlook a huge swimming pool. Loads of sun loungers, free towels, let's go down and have a closer look at the swimming pool. That looks delightful. I've not been in it yet, but it looks very, very tempting. Might have to get changed into the swimmers shortly for a little dip. Don't worry, I won't put you through seeing me in the swimming pool. Pool hours are from 9 AM to 10 PM and you need your room key to enter. You have the option to rent luxury cabanas by the poolside. These are an additional charge, of course. They look sensational though. Lots of towels, seating area, television, and a beautiful sofa to sit back and relax. The life of luxury here at Hard Rock Hotel Universal. When you're lying on your sun lounger, you have the option of using the QR code and ordering for delivery to your sun lounger if you want a quick bite to eat or a drink. Staying at any Universal on-property hotel comes with a range of benefits. Staying at a premier Universal hotel like the Hard Rock Hotel comes with all the benefits. The main benefit without doubt has to be Universal Express unlimited passes for each member of your party staying in the room. That is from check-in day, so including check-in day and including check-out day. If you don't know what Express Pass is, it's basically a pass to allow you on a shorter queue for most of the ride, with the exception of Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure. All other rides have a shorter queue that the Express Pass will allow you in, saving you time and giving yourself more of a luxurious experience at Universal. We've had these yesterday and today. and they worked an absolute treat, especially today because it was a really busy Saturday in the parks. Yesterday it was a bit slower, so they didn't have as much benefit, but I'd much rather have one than not. One of the other benefits of staying on site here at Universal is early park admission. The early park admission is brilliant. I really like it. You get entry into Islands of Adventure 1 hour before regular guests, which gives you a little advantage because it's quieter, it's more relaxing, it's great for photos, and gets you on a few of the rides with a shorter wait time, generally speaking. Early park admission, you know, you can still have to queue and wait your time on the rides depending how early you get there. Nonetheless, it's a great perk. 1 hour before normal opening hours, you are allowed into the Islands of Adventure. There is a poolside bar called Beach Club that gives you all kinds of alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages and some light bites. Sitting out here in the sun next to the pool with a nice refreshing drink in hand, what else could you want? Talking about relaxing by the pool with a cocktail or a drink, here's my friend Mark. What have you got, Mark? Pina colada. How's it tasting? $18. $18 for Mark's Pina colada, but what a beautiful setting, mate. The Hard Rock Hotel is the closest hotel to Universal Studios. It's probably a 4 or 5 minute walk. Or if you want to travel in luxury, you can go in one of the water taxis, or you also have access to the Universal Orlando bus service. So one of the 3 methods of transportation to the parks, either walk, luxury boat, water taxi, or the bus service. We have walked mainly, because it's only 4 or 5 minutes. It's a beautiful walk, surrounded by beautiful gardens next to the lake, so absolutely ideal. You could not get a better location for your visit to Universal Studios. When at the theme parks, you can use your room key to buy merchandise and charge it to your hotel room. Another great convenient perk. Also at the hotel, there are the Coca-Cola freestyle machines. You can purchase a resort mug to have unlimited refills throughout your stay. I stayed in a standard double queen room last night. As you can imagine, it lives up to the rest of the hotel, extreme luxury and comfort. Let's nip up now and I'll give you a quick room tour and review. So guys, this is a quick room tour and review. This is a standard double queen room. As soon as you come in the door to your left, you've got the wash hand basin and the vanity unit, and then you've got your WC shower bathtub in there, also another wash hand basin there. Even though this is the kind of standard double room, it is very luxurious. Decor is absolutely stunning. You've got a large wardrobe there, hangers, spare bedding, luggage rack, and then you've got a coffee maker here. You've got some water if you've got a spare $7.50 per bottle. Not for me unless it was an emergency. And then you've got 2 double queen beds. We checked in earlier today, myself and Mark. We both had a kind of little nap on them. They are very comfy. You've got a large widescreen television, some storage drawers there, and a kind of desk at the end for a bit of work. And towards the end of the room, you've got 2 comfy chairs just to sit and relax. In terms of charging points, when we first came in, we were auto filled. There's plug points at the back there, but there are 2 USB charging points within the alarm clock. It took us a few minutes to find them, but they work absolutely perfect. And you have a 3rd USB point just in front of the stool. My Apple Watch is currently charging. The decor throughout the hotel is all focused around the hard rock theming. In the Velvet Bar, you get live music nightly. Throughout the hotel there are loads of little relaxation areas. This is the sort of conference section of the hotel. During your stay you may need a bite to eat, you may need some lunch or dinner or some breakfast in the morning, some coffees, and Hard Rock Hotel have you covered, as you would imagine. You have the Palm restaurant. Palm Restaurant is more of a fine dining dinner restaurant, open 7 days a week from 5 PM nightly. If you want, you can book reservations and be prepared to dress appropriately. Short t-shirts and flip-flops probably would not be accepted, so just make sure you can probably wear trousers and a sort of shirt. It's not the kind of place you can go in your swim gear or lounge gear, I wouldn't think. You also have the option of eating in the kitchen restaurant, Hard Rock Hotel Orlando. The kitchen restaurant is open for both lunch and dinner. I've not ate there, I've seen some reviews, it's meant to be absolutely beautiful, which comes to no surprise as the rest of the hotel is that standard. You also have the option of EMAC and Loews Marketplace, where you'll get loads of snacks and also serving Starbucks for your morning caffeinated beverage. With all these luxuries and all this positivity, I'm sure you're wondering to yourself, how much does it cost? Well, it's not cheap, I'll be honest, but there's a lot of value in the cost. Your sort of standard price here is around $600, which is roughly £470 sterling. I'm a Universal Orlando Pass member. You get, from time to time throughout the year, Universal offer discounts on hotels for their pass members. I managed to get a room last night for $490, which worked out around £385 sterling, which I thought was good value for money when you consider all the perks and the benefits. The express passes alone yesterday were $220 each. Without question, guys, the Hard Rock Hotel here at Universal Orlando gets a 5 out of 5 from me. I have absolutely loved my stay here. It is luxury from the moment you step through the doors to the moment you leave. I hope the video's been useful, hope it's given you an idea of the hotel and the features and the facilities. If you liked it in any way, please hit the thumbs up, hit the like button, that would be great. Also, if you haven't, hit subscribe for some more Orlando content, and I'll see you next time. Cheers now, thanks.